Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to earn money using social media. Let's get started. First up is affiliate marketing, one of my favorite ways to make money online. It's like setting up cash pumping machines all over the internet. You find a company or product you love, sign up for their affiliate program, and get a special link. Every time someone clicks that link from your social media and buys something, you get a cut of the profit. No need to create your own products or deal with customer service. Platforms like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are overflowing with opportunities. Whether you're into gaming, fashion, or cooking, there's an affiliate program for you. Be authentic. Promote products you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. Keep it real, keep it engaging, and watch the commissions roll in. All right, moving on to sponsored posts and brand deals. This is one of the most exciting ways to monetize your influence and creativity. Brands are constantly on the lookout for influencers who can connect with their target audience. They want authentic voices that can represent their products in a relatable and engaging way. If you've got a decent following and create killer content, brands will come knocking. It's not just about the numbers. It's about the quality of your engagement and the trust you've built with your audience. They'll pay you to feature their products or services in your posts, stories, or videos. This can range from a simple Instagram post to a full-fledged YouTube review. Partner with brands that align with your values and that your audience will be interested in. Authenticity is crucial. Your followers can tell when you're genuinely excited about a product. Let's say you're a fitness enthusiast. Your followers look to you for advice on workouts, nutrition, and healthy living. A company that makes protein shakes might reach out for a sponsorship. This is a perfect match because it fits seamlessly into your content. You get to try their products, share your honest review, and get paid for it. Transparency is key. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and be more likely to trust your recommendations. Always disclose your sponsored posts clearly and honestly. This builds trust and keeps you compliant with advertising regulations. Create high-quality content that showcases your niche and personality. Invest in good equipment and take the time to edit your posts and videos to perfection. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and build a genuine community. Interaction is key to maintaining a loyal and engaged audience. Reach out to brands directly or join influencer networks. These platforms can connect you with companies looking for influencers in your niche. It's all about finding that sweet spot where everyone wins. You get to work with brands you love, your audience gets valuable recommendations, and the brands get authentic promotion. It's a win-win-win situation. Let's talk about building your own digital empire by creating and selling digital products. Package your knowledge, skills, or creativity into something tangible that people can buy. Once you've created the product, it can keep making you money while you sleep. The possibilities are endless. Create Lightroom presets, meal plans, or social media templates. Identify your strengths, passions, and what your audience is craving. Choose a platform to sell it, like Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia. Market it effectively. Create engaging content that showcases the value of your product. Share testimonials, run promotions, and entice people to buy. Chapter 4. YouTube Ad Revenue. Turn your videos into a money-making machine. YouTube ad revenue is a fantastic way to monetize your content and turn your passion into profit. By leveraging the power of ads, you can generate a steady stream of income from your videos. To get started, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This requires reaching a milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Once you achieve this, you can apply for the program and start monetizing your content. After joining the program, YouTube will begin displaying ads on your videos. These ads can appear before, during, or after your content. and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from these ads. The more views and engagement your videos get, the higher your earnings potential. Building a substantial subscriber base takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. It's important to create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth the effort. One of the greatest advantages of YouTube ad revenue is that it provides passive income. Once your videos are up and running, they can continue to generate revenue for you even while you sleep. This means that your hard work can pay off long after you've uploaded your content. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating high-quality, engaging, and entertaining videos. The more captivating your content, the longer viewers will stay, and the more ads they'll see. This translates to higher ad revenue for you. Finding your niche is crucial. Identify a specific area or topic that you're passionate about and that has an audience. Develop your unique style and be consistent with your uploads. Regularly posting content helps keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Promotion is key to growing your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Building a loyal community around your channel can significantly boost your views and ad revenue. Interacting with your viewers is essential. Respond to comments, ask for video ideas, and make your audience feel like they're part of your journey. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also encourages viewers to stay engaged with your content. Remember, there's an audience out there for every type of content. Whether you're into gaming, beauty, tech, or vlogging, there are viewers who share your interests. By creating content that you're passionate about, you'll attract like-minded individuals who will support your channel and help you grow. Chapter 5. Crowdfunding and memberships. Let your biggest fans support your work. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-fi allow your audience to become patrons of your content. These platforms provide a space where creators can offer unique experiences and rewards to their most loyal supporters. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes peeks, or early access to new releases. This not only makes your supporters feel special, but also gives them a reason to stay engaged and invested in your work. Create a direct line of support between you and your most dedicated fans. Regular interactions, such as live chats or video calls, can help build a strong community and foster a sense of belonging among your patrons. They get exclusive perks, and you get the financial freedom to keep creating. Offer value. Whether it's personalized merchandise, special shoutouts, or exclusive content, make sure your patrons feel appreciated and valued. Create compelling tiers with irresistible rewards. Think about what would make your audience excited to support you. Tailor your rewards to match the interests and desires of your fans. Think about what your audience would truly appreciate. Conduct surveys or read through comments to understand what your fans want. Their feedback can be invaluable in shaping your membership offerings. Get creative, think outside the box, and make your fans feel like they're a part of something special. Host exclusive events, create personalized content, or offer unique experiences that they can't get anywhere else. Crowdfunding is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, dedication, and a well-thought-out strategy. Plan your approach carefully and be prepared to put in the work. It takes time to build a community of patrons and cultivate a culture of support. Engage with your community regularly, show appreciation for their support, and encourage them to share your content with others. With dedication, creativity, and heart, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream. It's a win-win situation. Your fans get to support the work they love, and you get the resources you need to keep creating. Remember, the key is to build genuine connections and offer real value to your supporters. Chapter 6. Social Media Management Services. Get paid to be a social media guru. Turn your social media savvy into a lucrative career. Businesses need help navigating social media, creating content, and engaging with their audience. Identify businesses that could use social media help and offer your services. Create social media strategies, manage content calendars, and run ad campaigns. Understand the ins and outs of each platform and engage with the audience. As you gain experience, charge higher rates and attract bigger clients. You can even build an agency around your social media management services. Outro. Start earning money on social media. Today, whether you're looking to make extra cash or turn your social media presence into a full-time income, these strategies can help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on which strategy you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching.